welcome to our YouTube channel. Today our main focus will be on basic operations on numbers in standard form. And our examples from A to A will help us explain the basic concepts we will need here on multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Alright, now let's go to our first example. Alright, for this example we have 2.551 times 10 raised to the power of 6 times 7.63 times 10 raised to the power of 5. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do here is we are going to open bracket. So we have 2.51 times 10 raised to the power of 6 times 7.63 times 10 raised to the power of 5. Alright, so now in this case I'm going to multiply the numbers and we multiply the powers of 10 too. Alright, so now we have 7. Okay, first of all I have to convert these to whole numbers. So I move 1, 2. That's 2 times. 1, 2. That's 2 times. So that is 4 times. So when I get my answer from the product of these, I will move my decimal points backwards 4 times. Now let me explain that with this. So we have 763 times 251. 1 times 3, 3, 1 times 6, 6, 1 times 7 is 7. So 5 times 3 is 15, 5 carry 1, 5 times 6 is 30 plus 1, 31, 1 and carry 3, 5 times 3, that gives me 35 plus 3, that is 38. Alright, so we're done with that. So we have 2 times 3, that's 6. 6. 2 times 6, that's 12. 2 and carry 1. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Alright, so we add. That's 3. 1, carry 1. That is 7, 8, 9, 15. So 5 and carry 1. This will give me 11, 1 and carry 1. So this will give me 9, 1. Alright, so we have 191513. But don't forget that we actually move the decimal point back forward 4 times. So we're going to take it backwards 4 times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer in this case for this 2.51 times 7.63 will give me 19.1513 times. Now we have 10 raised to the power of 6 times 10 raised to the power of 5. So we have 10 raised to the power of 6 plus 5. Don't forget, in our last video, I showed you something like this. We have a raised to the power of 4 times a raised to the power of 3. This can also be written as a raised to the power of 4 plus 3. A raised to the power of 7. This was under indices. Alright, so in this case we have 19.1513 times 10 raised to the power of 11. Alright, so this cannot be our final answer. So we need to move the decimal points to forward because we need only one significant figure before the decimal point. So now in this case, now I'll rewrite this as 1 point, moving this once, 1.91513 times 10 raised to the power of 1 times 10 raised to the power of 11. Alright, so now we have 1.91513 times 10 raised to the power of 1 plus 11 gives me 12. So this gives us a final answer as 1.91513 times 10 raised to the power of 12. Alright, you can actually solve the second one and drop your answer in the comment section. Let's move to question C. C says 9.2 times 10 raised to the power of 8, right, divided by 4.6 times 10 raised to the power of 3. Alright, so I can rewrite this as, okay, by opening the bracket, I can rewrite this as 9.2 times 10 raised to the power of 8 divided by 4.6 times 10 raised to the power of 3. Alright, so in this case now I can actually write this also as 9.2 over 4.6 times 10 raised to the power of 8 divided by 10 raised to the power of 3. They are actually similar. Alright, so now in this case now let me focus on this. So we have 9.2 times 3 divided by 4.6. So they are both whole numbers now. 92 divided by 46. Alright, so 46 goes into 92. That is 2 times because double of 46 gives us 92. So this will give me 2.0 times 10 raised to the power of 8. Division 6, I should use a minus sign based on the laws of indices. So we use minus 3. So in this case now my answer will be 2.0 times 10 raised to the power of 8 minus 3 gives me 5. So the final answer is 2.0 times 10 raised to the power of 5. Alright, you can do D and also drop your answer in the comment section. Alright, now let's go to the last part that has to do with addition and subtraction. Alright. For E, I have 9.6 times 10 raised to the power of 7 plus 2.8 times 10 raised to the power of 4. So now in this case now, I will still open the brackets as usual. So I have 9.6 times 10 raised to the power of 7 plus 2.8 times 10 raised to the power of 4. So in this case now, I can actually, what I need to do now is to factorize the powers of 10. So now in this case now, this is 10 raised to the power of 7 and 10 raised to the power of 4. What is common between them is 10 raised to the power of 4. So I have 10 raised to the power of 4. Alright, so this is 9.6 times 10 raised to the power of 7. So if I pick out 10 raised to the power of 4 from 10 raised to the power of 7, I'll be left with 9.6 times 10 raised to the power of 3. Plus, so if I take out 10 raised to the power of 4 from 10 raised to the power of 4, I'll be left with 1. So that will indirectly means 2.8 times 10 raised to the power of 0. And the number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So I'd rather write this as 2.8. Alright, so in this case we have 10 raised to the power of 4. So 9.6 times 10 raised to the power of 3 gives me 1000 plus 2.8. Alright, so in this case now I have 10 raised to the power of 4. Then 9.6 times 1000. I will move this 3 times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. So this will turn to 9,600 plus 2.8. I hope you understand that. Alright, next one, I'm going to add this together. So this will be 10 raised to the power of 4, 9600.0 plus 2.8. Now give me 8, 2, 0, 6, 9. So 9,602.8. 9,602.8. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write this in standard form. So this will be 10 raised to the power of 4 in brackets. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. So this will give me 9.6028 times 10 raised to the power of 3. Alright, finally I will present this as, don't forget that if we have 10 raised to the power of 4 times 10 raised to the power of 3, this will give me, since they have the same base, this will give me 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 3. So I'm going to apply the same thing here. So I have 9.6028 times 10 raised to the power of 3 times 10 raised to the power of 4. So this will give me 9.6028 times 10 raised to the power of 3 plus 4 raised to the power of 7. Alright, now let's go to the final example. Last question, we have 3.9 10 raised to the power of 6 minus 2.9 times 10 raised to the power of 5. Alright, so the first thing we always do is open the bracket. So now I'll open the bracket to have 3.9 times 10 raised to the power of 6 minus 2. Times 10 raised to the power of 6 minus 2.9 times 10 raised to the power of 5. The next thing we are going to do is just like we did for online, we are going to open the bracket first. So we have 3.9 times 10 raised to the power of 6 minus 2.9 times 10 raised to the power of 5. Alright, so we are going to factorize this. So this value here is 10 raised to the power of 5. So I have 10 raised to the power of 5, 3.9 times 10 raised to the power of 6 divided by 10 raised to the power of 5, we get 10 raised to the power of 1, 10 raised to the power of 1 minus 2.9. The reason why something attached to 2.9 is because 10 raised to the power of 5 divided by 10 raised to the power of 5, give me 10 raised to the power of 0. And any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Any number multiplied by 1 is that same number. That is why we have 2.9 here. Alright, so in this case now we have 10 raised to the power of 5. This will give us times 10. This will move 1. That will give 139 minus 2.9. Alright, so in this case now we have 39 minus 2.9. I'm going to put 1 at the end, so this will give me 1. 8 divided by 2 gives me 6. So this will be 10 raised to the power of 5, 36. Positive, when we go forward, power is negative. Alright, so in this case now we have 3.61 times 10 raised to the power of 1 times 10 raised to the power of 5. So this will end up as 3.61 times 10 raised to the power of 1 plus 5 gives us 6. So our final answer is 3.61 times 10 raised to the power of 6. Alright, we've come to the end of our exciting video. I hope you learned a lot. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting and videos.